Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5-in-1 welding machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. And finally, the item number 5 in our list is MIG Welder 150A. Specifications: brand name, Reboot. Plug type, U-plug. Usage, IGBT inverter welder. Weight, 10 kilograms. Dimensions, 50 by 31 by 38. Wire feeding speed, normal. Model number, MIG 150. Certification, C. Origin, Mainland China. Function, MIG/MMA/ARC. Voltage, 220 volts. Output voltage range, 3150A. The item number 4 is aliexpress 5-in-1 plasma cutter welders. Specifications: brand name, aliexpress. Plug type, U-plug. Is smart device, no. Usage, welding. Dimensions, 57 cm x 37 cm x 41 cm. Wire feeding speed, 0.5 to 13 meters per minute. Model number, HVM 270. Certification, C. Origin, Mainland China. Rated duty cycle, 60%. Efficiency percent, 85. Protection class, IP21S. As the item number 3, we've selected Andeli 220 volts aluminum welding machine. Specifications: brand name, Andeli. Is smart device, no. Usage, welding. Certification, C. Origin, Mainland China. Voltage, 220 volts. Frequency, 50/60ths of a hertz. The item number 2 is Hitbox MIG 200. Specifications: brand name, Hitbox. Plug type, U-plug. Is smart device, no. Usage, MIG ARC TIG welding. Weight, 16.5 kilograms. Dimensions, 425 by 183 by 290 m. Wire feeding speed, automatically. Model number, MIG 200. Certification, C. Origin, Mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have aliexpress 5-in-1. Specifications: brand name, aliexpress. Weight, 17 kg. Plug type, U-plug. Is smart device, no. Usage, MIG/TIG/ARC welder. Dimensions, 425 by 183 by 290 m. Wire feeding speed, 3 to 18 millimeters. Model number, HBM 2280. Certification, C. Efficiency percent, 85%. Protection class, IP23. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.